you were pasting a lot of videos with BizTalk to Azure migration, and I mean a lot of things happen now with Logic Apps hybrid and everything. I mean, can you tell us something about that and how the future of
Right.
Logic Apps looks?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
absolutely.
Mm,
Absolutely. No, thank you for asking. So, well, today we have a roadmap for BizTalk Server. We are supporting BizTalk Server 2020 until April 2028,
mm,
which gives customers about 4 years to conduct migrations,
mm,
and then they also enjoy 2 years of extended security updates,
mm,
right? Which means that if something breaks between April 2028 and I think it's January or June 2030,
mm,
they won't get a break fix. Well, they won't get fixes for features, but they
mm,
will get fixes for critical security issues, right? And yeah, of course, nothing is preventing customers to just continue running the product, right? The product. I just met a customer that is running Host Integration Server 2000
mm.
okay.
on Windows Server 2003.
Mm,
So there are customers, and it was a bug.
mm,
So you can imagine that as much as we want for customers to modernize, I mean we encourage them to do it. We give them the tools, we help them, but in the end, this becomes a business decision, right?
mm,
And in the case of VStock Server, it's no different. VStock Server is it's a rock solid, mature product.
Mm,
Our team is
mm,
committed to our VStock team is committed to support our customers along the life cycle.
mm,
We don't have changes to the life cycle to communicate, right? That is the life cycle that we have, the official word. But our team is committed to support the products in this life cycle, right? If there is something that gets broken, then just please open a support case. We will be happy to take it,
mm,
right? But something that we are being very intentional in is we are porting features that we
mm,
call BizTalk extensibility features into Azure Logic Apps, right?
mm.
I don't know if you saw the latest
mhm.
addition, the rules engine
Yeah.
that came. I mean, getting the rules engine, it was a great win for a lot of BizTalk
That's
customers.
an amazing jump. Yeah.
Mm,
But I'm more surprised about the customers who are not BizTalk customers who really like the feature. So that's
mm,
a feature
Okay.
that we're aiming to make available mostly for these BizTalk customers who had enjoyed the reliability of the rules engine runtime,
mm,
right? Not so much the composer, but mostly the runtime, right? And yes, that is happening. But what I'm more surprised about is that a lot of the customers who are not BizTalk, they are using it right now because it has a great value. It has a tremendous value. The value of using a platform as a service product like Logic Apps
mm,
that can scale out, that can be elastic, that gives you the ability to be exposed to REST API and everything,
mm.
and then use it, with the rules engine pattern. So you
Mm.
can store rules, you can design rules, and then you can push rules, without the need of making changes to your workflows or to
Yeah.
your applications, just
Yeah.
through rules, external rules. So I think that idea is very compelling. So that's why when we were moving the feature,
Mm,
we had this hypothesis, right, about how well, we did some research about if it would make sense to include a rules engine these days, which is a microservices world, right? Microservices, loosely coupled world. There are customers who perceive a rules engine as a monolith, while there are other customers who perceive this as a great vehicle for governance
yeah.
and collaboration across microservices. So I think the greatness about the business that we all are in,
Mm,
right,
yeah.
is that there's no one size fits all, and everybody has different they have different approaches to tackle specific problems, right?
Mm,
And also, the more you see those customers that's actually out there and
mm,
explaining their solutions, they are the ones who succeeded to modernize. There is a lot, as you said in the beginning, they didn't modernize. And now, when you reintroduced the rule engine,
mm,
they start to say, "Oh, this also exists now." So,
mm,
but when it was introduced back in the days, everyone went crazy. I think I wasn't there
Mm.
when it was introduced first time,
Mm.
but like I assume that it was the same effect. Now it's maybe the newer generation or the newer, like the new who didn't have it
Yeah, I think
actually understand the technology.
it's both words. I mean,
Yeah,
it's something familiar for the BizTalk users and the BizTalk developers and everyone, but also it's a new feature for the ones who has only been in Azure, and I guess that it's a great feature.
yeah. If
You
you're
are
fam-
spot on. Yeah,
Yeah.
you both are spot on, right? I mean, features they we do things and business do things because there is a business value to it,